The HP 27 Ultra 7 Business All-in-One Desktop is the ultimate solution for modern, high-performance office. This sophisticated machine features a massive 27-inch FHD touch display that provides an intuitive and immersive interface for all professional tasks. Powered by the Intel 12 cores Ultra 7 155U processor, it offers cutting-edge speed that significantly outperforms older generations like the i7-1355U. This extra processing power ensures that complex business applications and data-heavy projects run with absolute precision. Equipped with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 IAM, this desktop handles extreme multitasking without any hesitation. Users can run intensive software, participate in high-definition video conferences, and manage dozens of browser tabs simultaneously. The 1 terabyte SSD provides a vast amount of storage space while delivering rapid boot times and nearly instantaneous file access. This combination of memory and storage is specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional environments where every second counts. The sleek, minimalist design of this all-in-one unit eliminates cable clutter, creating a clean and productive workspace. It comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse, allowing for immediate setup right out of the box. Connectivity is top-tier with integrated Wi-Fi 6, ensuring stable and fast internet speeds for seamless cloud collaboration. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the system offers advanced security features and management tools that are essential for modern business operations. Tech Trends viewers will appreciate the balance of elegant aesthetics and raw power in this hardware. The responsive touchscreen adds a layer of versatility, making it easy to navigate through presentations or creative designs. Every component is optimized to provide a reliable and smooth user experience for years to come. This HP desktop represents the next step in integrated computing technology, providing everything a professional needs in one stunning package.